This morning, freezing temperatures and heavy snow sweeping the nation. Overnight, communities throughout the Midwest and beyond facing another blast of wintry weather and waking up to dangerous, slick roads. In Pennsylvania, intense lake effect snow causing headaches for motorists. This tractor trailer overturning onto its side. Icy conditions on interstates from New York to Colorado, causing dozens of vehicles to spin out of control, creating two massive pileups Monday. Over 80 million people are under extreme cold warnings, with an Arctic blast spanning from central Texas to the Canadian border, and wind chills as low as 50 degrees below zero, blasting states like Montana and Minnesota. The National Weather Service warning of, quote, life-threatening cold in North Dakota. Trucks salting the streets in Texas, where officials there warning this could be the coldest weather event of the year. A reminder of 2021's power grid catastrophe that ended nearly 250 lives. Governor Abbott expressing confidence a crisis like that will not happen again.
The power grid has never been stronger than it is now.
Across Kentucky, thousands remain without power and safe drinking water after a weekend of deadly flash flooding that killed at least 14 people across 3 states and prompted more than 1,000 rescues that are still ongoing. And with temperatures like this, guys, it just isn't uncomfortable. It is dangerous. The harbor behind me is frozen. That's proof. Imagine if you step outside, what can happen to your skin. Frostbite can set in with it in 10 minutes. So if you have to be outside walking the dog or taking public transportation, make sure you bundle up and layer up. Back to you.
With that in mind, Adrienne, let's get you inside this morning. Thanks so much for reporting. We appreciate it. Now let's check in with Al. Hey, Al.
Hey, guys. Good morning, and good morning to you. We are looking at 21 contiguous states with winter storm warnings, watches for 60 million people, winter weather advisories as well. You can already see the snow starting to fire up from Colby onto to Kansas City, Springfield, and St. Louis as this low-pressure system develops over the plains. Some gusty storms down near the Gulf Coast as a double-barrel low-pressure system makes its way toward the east. Snow and ice most likely for much of Virginia and the Carolina coastlines. Then it moves off the coast. More lake effect snow comes blowing in, and that means we're looking at about 8 to 12 inches of snow in Springfield, Missouri, Nashville, 2 to 4, about 7 to 11 inches of snow along the Virginia coastline. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.